guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word tihий, or quiet. Let's say the first syllable with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Ti, ti. Use more air for the th than you would in English, keeping the part of your tongue behind the tip close to the roof of your mouth. Ti, ti. The letter H is not pronounced in the back of the throat, contrary to popular belief. It's actually pronounced in the same place we say the letter K. It's just that we don't block the airflow all the way. Let's use the syllable ki to get a running start. Draw tongue lips. Ki, hi. Ki, hi. English speakers tend to anchor their tongue against their upper molars in the back of their mouths, but in order to sound Russian, we need to allow the sides of the tongue to come away from the molars a little, so the tongue can move further forward. Let's do it again, with the tongue extremely high and forward, leaving only a tiny gap for the air to pass through. Draw tongue lips. Ki, hi. Ki, hi. Now the whole thing. Draw tongue lips. Ti, hi. Ti, hi. Тихий. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so that your students can see them too. Счастливо!